How I'm crafting these leather belts. Hello everyone! Today we have how it's made series video and I'm ready to show you how I'm crafting these leather belts with my template, which you can find in my web shop. How to make plastic templates, I have created a full video which you can find here. I will use 3.5mm thickness standard 1.5 inch or 38mm wide leather pre-cuts, brass belt buckle and 3 brass Chicago screws. I will put links where you can find furniture I'm using in the comment section down below. Leather belt is a cool craft for your first project, even if you never tried leather crafting before, as there are no difficult techniques and it will last you a long time. Here you can see my belt with nice patina, made of natural undyed vegetable tanned leather about 2 years ago. Okay, now let's jump straight into the crafting process. How do I measure how long a belt should be? I'm asking the customer for his waist measurements and making a middle hole exactly at this length. But also pay attention that this belt buckle extends the belt for about 5 cm, so I will deduct 5 cm from belt length. Now I can add a few donuts to my diet or start for a couple of weeks and the belt still fits me well, as it total has 9 holes. First of all, I bent and screw belt without buckle and let leather to adapt, as it's quite hard to tighten screws right away with buckle when the leather is so thick. I believe there will be questions about this, I would call it maybe tool. This tool makes more convenient working on edges. It is nothing fancy and you can easily make it by yourself. 3 pieces of plywood screwed together with a rift to insert the belt. Inside wet molded thin leather to avoid scratching. Seems like that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and as always, all my crafts and PDF templates you can find in my webshop strhandmade.com. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!